Welcome to Afro Hair Beauty 2018.
Organizer of Afro Hair Beauty Live.
Okay, so basically Verna was here, she's here each year and we'll always support Afro Hair Beauty, so we help with the online PR and coming here and being a vendor and all that kind of stuff as well. And what are you hoping for this year from Afro Hair Beauty?
We're hoping
added a lot of new
yes,
things.
We've added a lot of new things, especially in the lifestyle area. The fashion has expanded and now we have like conversations happening, small workshops, seminars. So a lot down here, upstairs, Battle of the Barbers, a lot more stands, lifestyle, pampering, and people visiting from America on a live panel. If you've got any questions you want about hair or beauty, we've got a great panel debate happening on the main stage. Anyone can ask questions and they're from top hairdressers from around the world, America, Europe, and of course here.
And why do you think it's important to incorporate African fashion into Afro Hair Beauty?
Because I think now African fashion is so popular and we're always looking for, I think it's hard to go to shops and online to find something that we really like ourselves.
To feel it.
So and to feel it.
Yeah.
And it's all here. We've got the vast array of fashion from all over Africa and made. Yours is made here, isn't it?
Yeah,
yours
and
Europe is fantastic. So if you want head wraps, fashion, clothes, shoes, anything Afrocentric from Africa, authentic hair as well from Africa. There's someone who has a wig factory, hair factory in Nigeria. They're here. Noela wigs, Nini hair, all from Africa. Oh, and the lady from Ghana, R&R.
Yeah.
You know, the president's daughter. She's here.
The president's daughter is here. One last thing. We want this in Scotland and in Glasgow. I don't know what you're going to do for us.
Oh, we have
How are we going to make it happen?
We have to. I know I met a lady from Aberdeen as well as yourself from Glasgow. And we do have to make it happen. We'll have to meet after the show and let's talk about having something like this in Scotland.
Definitely. We're all waiting for it. So thank you so much.
All right,
all the
thank
best for the
you.
weekend.
Good luck.
Cheers.
Take care.